Started videoing again. I'm gonna try and make it to Route 80. Hopefully once I make it to Route 80, clear driving. This is Sunday, so it should be really interesting tomorrow, because I'd say half of Connecticut, at least half, will still be buried and not be able to go to work. I can't wait to get home. More traffic. I got some kids sled riding. Almost to Route 80. Wow, this is like solid ice right here. And we're supposed to get freezing rain tomorrow. The roads might end up even worse. Got a red light, but now the backhoe's moving. There's a backhoe up there. So we're almost to Route 80, and I'll be following a backhoe, so it's going to be pretty boring. There's Bella Vista, pretty big snow pile. Try zooming in. Oh. Don't know how. That's it. Just look at all these people walking back from Route 80.